You are welcome back to Ashelebe Latifat Online Academy. So today we want to explain set theory. Set is the categorization of things in group. That is grouping of things, grouping of numbers, grouping of alphabet, and so on. A set must be written in capital letters. So I will give you an example, you will understand it. The members of group must be written in small letters. Members of group are known as elements. Identification of sets. You have to describe the members of the sets. That is, if you want to write even numbers between 1 and 10, so you have to describe exactly the numbers that you want to write in a set. The second one is that you have to list the elements or members of that set. The even numbers between 1 and 10 are 2, 4, 6, and 8. The last but not least is that you have to embrace those elements in a curly bracket. In a curly bracket, not just ordinary or any bracket. So you have to embrace it in a curly bracket. This is a curly bracket. You write it like this. So you have to embrace it in a curly bracket. So now let's write the set of even numbers between 1 and 10. So let's say the set is A. I told you that your set must be written in capital letter. So is equal to, this is the curly bracket. After describing the elements, now we have to list them. So 2, 4, 6, 8. Then you close it with a curly bracket. So this is how you can quickly recognize any sets. The elements must be described, the elements must be listed, and the elements must be embraced inside a curly bracket. And the set itself must be written in the capital letter. Another example, if you have B, let's say I want to write vowels in alphabet. So B will be A, E, I, O, U. So elements of set must be written in small letters. The elements of set B are A, E, I, O, U, which are the vowels in alphabet. And the elements in set A are 2, 4, 6, and 8. And they are the even numbers between 1 and 10. So if you are dealing with sets, you have to take care of all these 3 steps. You have to describe the element of that set, you have to list the elements of that set, and you have to embrace it in a curly bracket. That one is very, very important, so that it's the one that distinguishes set from sequence. If you just list the number, you are talking about another thing. But if you embrace it in a curly bracket, that means you are talking about set. So till I see you in the next class, bye bye.